Yeah, it's still alive. It's still alive.
Yep. Really? Let me see.
Yeah. Now the fun part. Let's see how many kicks it takes to break
Yeah,
it.
do that. Do that. Okay. We all kick it.
I'm not kicking it. I'm not kicking it.
I'll kick it.
All right, reach.
Ready?
Yeah.
If I do running kick now.
Yeah.
Hard on Hobart. Oh, it broke.
It broke?
Yeah. So maybe
It's leaking fuel. That's leaking fuel. It broke.
That's a lot less dramatic than the other one.
It's slowly.
This is like a mafia shot, like a mafia hit, you know what I mean?
It's like
The other one was like someone got ran over by a car.
this one like
Bob.
it's
no.
slowly dying.
At least the package still looks cute.
Yeah, it does.
Cute.
You can still send that to somebody. Look at that.
Yeah.